Hey everyone, I wanted to talk to you today about an accessory or a performance add-on, a bolt-on for your C7Z06 that I highly recommend. That is getting yourself a ported throttle body. This is my stock OEM 87mm throttle body, but I recently installed, about a month ago, I installed a Tony Mamo V2 ported throttle body, which I have to say has been a game changer on my 2015 Z06. This is a manual 7-speed M7 transmission, and I noticed after I purchased this car about a year ago that when you're at idle and then you would accelerate in first gear, there was always like this dead spot where I had to really like push the throttle down like 30% before it would respond. And I actually killed the car several times trying to get off the line just because of this issue. And I'm a pretty good driver with manual transmission cars, and so I knew it wasn't me, it was something else. So after a bunch of research, I found out that the stock ported throttle body doesn't have enough flow that the supercharged V8 should have. As you can see, there's a lip here on the inside of the OEM throttle body, and that reduces airflow. So pretty much with the ported one, they go in there and they grind all that out so it's super smooth. And on the V2 ported throttle body I got, this actual whole device is considerably thinner. So with both of those things combined, it increases airflow so much, and it hasn't been a problem since. It's just immediate. You press the gas and it goes. The other benefit I've noticed is the throttle response is a lot more responsive. So when I'm driving in any gear, especially low RPM, it wants to go. I mean, feels like it's really woken the car up. Even though this car is fast before, with the V2 ported throttle body, it's just a new animal entirely. It cost me about $450. Took me about 20 minutes to install. I did it myself, and the great thing about it is you don't need a PCM calibration or any type of tune. It's a direct plug and play, you bolt it on, and you got all the benefits. The other thing is the power is a lot more linear that I've experienced now with this throttle body, and it adds about 12 to 15 horsepower and torque throughout the entire RPM range. So if you're looking for a cheap, effective performance add-on for your C7Z06, I highly recommend the Tony Mamo V2 ported throttle body for your LT4 Z06. Hope you found this video informative and helpful. Please give it a like if you did, comment below, and see you next time.